Hello students, good morning. This is Subhan Singh here. Today we shall read models type, passive voice of model type. मॉडल वाले वाक्य को पीवी यानी पैसिव वॉइस में बदलना. That's it. At first, look at the board for a while. Let's clear it. Models are as under. प्रमुख मॉडल्स निम्नलिखित हैं. You know as can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought to, and used to. Okay. According to our syllabus, these are some kind of models. Structure is object model plus be. We add be in model. Verb third by subject by object other word. स्ट्रक्चर पहले जैसा ही है स्टूडेंट्स, लेकिन इसमें सिर्फ क्या होता है, जो मॉडल दिया गया है वही ऐड होता है और साथ में उसके बी जुड़ जाता है. जैसे एग्जांपल इज राम कैन ड्राइव दिस कार फास्टली. राम कैन ड्राइव दिस कार फास्टली. सो हियर ऑब्जेक्ट इज दिस कार. दिस कार कैन बी. वी ऐड बी इन मॉडल कैन. दिस कार कैन बी ड्राइवन इज द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ ड्राइव बाय राम फास्टली. ओके. सेकंड, our teacher will beat beat him on his mistake. Our teacher will beat him on his mistake. Here is the object, so we change him into he. He will be beaten. Beaten. Beaten is the third form of beat by our teacher on his mistake. Clear? Third, they should respect their elders. They should respect their elders. So here their elders is object. Their elders should be respected by them. They change into them. Okay. Fourth, she must obey her parents. She must obey her parents. obey. obey यानी आज्ञा मानना या कहना मानना. So here her parents is object. Her parents must be obeyed. obeyed is the third form of obey by she change into her. Okay, let's continue. Okay students, let's say it. Let's say this word for a while. Here we consult the second passive of going to. going to वाले वाक्यों को passive voice में बदलना. तो ऐसा सेंटेंस, in these kind of sentence going to come into sentence. sentence में going to आता है. ऐसे वाक्य जिसमें going to आता है उनको passive voice में कैसे बदला जाता है. Let's see the structure. Object, helping verb, and then going to. We add be, verb third by subject by object other word. Object, helping verb. Helping verb which come into active voice. Going to, be, verb third by subject by object other word. Let's see example. She is going to cook a delicious food. Going to here indication word and cook is here main verb. So a delicious dish is object. A delicious dish is going to be. We add be in this. Cook, third form of cook, cooked by she changed into her. Okay. Second, Ram's father is going to buy a new car. Ram's father is going to buy a new car. So here a new car is object. A new car is going to be bought. Bought is the third form of buy, you know, by Ram's father. Third, the third is something different. They are going to celebrate the annual function in their school. They are is here according to they, plural. So here we choose the annual function as object. The annual function, according to the annual function, plural singular, we wrote is. हमने क्या लिखा? Is. The annual function is going to be celebrated by them. They change into them in their school. Okay. Fourth, I am going to visit the Taj Mahal. I am going to visit the Taj Mahal. Here the Taj Mahal is object. So the Taj Mahal is. Am is come according to I, you know, and is come according to the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is going to be visited by me. I change into me. तो सो टुडे हियर वी रीड अबाउट टू काइंड ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस मॉडल्स वाले पैसिव वॉइस और गोइंग टू वाले पैसिव वॉइस। ठीक है, अब मैं इसकी एक टेक्स्ट लिस्ट भेजूंगा, उसको और रीड करना। थैंक यू।